Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and training experience, from measurements to design, from production to test, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. BONOSS Sports active cooling Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make free cooling better. Distributed in pattern shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material is aluminum alloy, and they have two types materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061P6. Another is aluminum alloy 7075P6. The aluminum alloy 6061P6 for daily driving, and the 7075P6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 like a nut. The matching like a nut uses 42 material by continuously forging process, and ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The matching wheel stud use SCM 410 steel material. All BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers have over 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offer OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the farthest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm and the PCDCB competition. BONOSS have a complete Mitsubishi wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation improvements. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have stressed wide chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products meet the needs of the large volume orders, and have a good sales level in various international markets. And the BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same passion for cars, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS, without the wheel.